Hey there, so let's continue our journey, and today we will check the boolean and the char data type. So first of all, let me create a variable of boolean type. The name of the variable could be like var and the value could be like true. Now friends, this true value is a keyword, so we need not to make use of any single quote or double quote to enclose this value. Alright, so if we print this variable, then definitely the output would be either true or false based on the value inside a boolean variable. So here is the true value. Likewise, we can give the value of this variable var as false. So here is the output. Now, unlike C, we won't be able to give the value as 0 or non-zero value. For example, if we give the value as 0, then definitely there would be a crash and here is a compile time error. So the point is, a boolean variable can either contain true or false, and it won't be able to contain any other value apart from true and false. So this was a short explanation related to boolean variable. Now the char type of variable are more sophisticated. Let me show you. Now let us try to understand the char data type. Firstly, let me comment these two lines of code. Alright, so moving forward, let us create a char type of variable. Now some people can pronunciate char as char. So char and char are one and the same thing. So let me type in char in here, for example, and the variable could be like var1, and the value could be anything in between single quotes. So in between single quotes, for example, I can make use of this symbol ampersand, and again if I output the value of var1, then the output would be ampersand. So pretty simple. Now friends, using this character variables, we can print any character which is there in our keyboard. Now is it true? In fact, this is simply a tip of our iceberg. If we check the Unicode notation, then we can print any character in the world using a char variable. Now what exactly is a Unicode? Now friends, Java follows the Unicode coding mechanism, and Unicode coding mechanism is simply huge. Let me show you this particular table. For example, if you Google for Unicode table, then the first search result would be from unicode-table.com, and here is the website, and this will show you a table, and this table is simply huge. Now what is the maximum capacity for a Unicode table? Let me show you the range as well. So the number of Unicode characters, it's simply huge. The possible characters are 65,536, and if we check this table, Java can print any character from this Unicode table, and this table is such a huge table that you will find character from each and every language on this earth. So this is simply huge. There are many symbols, there are characters, there are each and everything which you need to display in Java. And making use of Unicode definitely makes Java a matured language. So in here, for example, if we check some popular characters, here is this telephone character, and we can definitely print this on our program as well. For example, if I check the code of this particular telephone symbol, the code is 260E. Now let me check this table, and there would be many symbols which are not there in our keyboard. For example, if we check this particular symbol, this symbol is a selection sign. This symbol is not there in our keyboard, right? So if we would like to print this symbol on our program, then this is pretty much possible. Let me navigate to our program, and in here we would be making use of the Unicode code to initialize this variable var1, and the way is pretty simple. We will make use of a slash, then lowercase u, and then we will make use of the code of the character, and finally let us also print this, and here is the selection symbol. Now friends, there is a catch in here. A Unicode table is huge, and usually the editors and your IDE will follow the subset of Unicode. Now you won't be able to print each and every character from this table, but definitely Java supports Unicode and there should be ways to print each and every character on your program using this table. Alright, so moving forward, this was the char data type, and using the character data type you can print any character on our console. And definitely you can also make use of char data type or any other data type on your web applications as well. So this was the short and sweet explanation related to boolean and char data type. So I suppose you guys enjoyed the lecture, and I will catch you in the next video.